Hello student, welcome to online class 6 English grammar, chapter number 18, that is active and passive voice. In this video I will tell you the general rule of changing active sentence to passive sentence and also the tense wise rule. This is my third video. In this video we just short look on general rules and then present tense rule. The general rules of changing active to passive sentence are: when our subject is inactive and we want to change it into passive, then subject of active sentence change into object in passive voice, or you can say passive sentence. The object of active sentence change into subject in passive sentence. By is used before the object of passive sentence. The main verb of active change in past participle, that is third form, in passive voice. The helping verb are used in passive voice according to the subject of passive sentence and its tense. We have also seen in the previous video the example: sheep gives wool. Wool is given by sheep. I have also shown you the personal pronoun rules. Now that is tense wise rule. Present tense: if our sentence is in present tense and it is simple present, then the active rule is subject, verb and object. When we change this into passive voice, it becomes subject, is am are, that is helping verb according to the subject, verb third form, by, and then object. This is the passive rule of simple present tense. Let's see the example. Example is: he play football, and in passive, football is played by him. Here he is a personal pronoun which change into him. Now let's see the second rule example, that is they drink coffee. Here they is a plural subject, so when we convert this, it becomes them. Coffee is drunk by them is a passive voice of simple present tense. Now let's see present continuous. In present continuous, our rule is subject, is, am, are. According to the subject, we use verb fourth form, that is ing form, and then object. When we change this continuous tense, present continuous tense, into passive voice, it becomes subject, is, am, are. According to our subject, we use helping verb, and then we use being followed by third form of the verb, by, and then object. Let's see example. He is playing football. Here he is playing football. When we change this sentence in passive, it becomes football is being played by him. Here he converted change into him. Now the second example is they are drinking coffee. Here they is a plural subject. When we change this, change into them. Coffee is being drunk by them is a passive of present continuous. Now we will see present perfect. That is third rule, subject. The rule of present perfect in active tense is subject, has, have, verb third form, and object. This is the active rule of a present sentence, present perfect tense. When we change this into present perfect in passive form, it becomes subject, has, have, plus been. Been is added here. Then third form of the verb, by, and object. So let's see example. He has played the football. I have taken the same example so that it will be clear to you. Now football has been played by him. is a passive of the same sentence. And the next example is they have drunk the coffee. Here when we change this in passive voice, the coffee has been drunk by them. In this way we have seen the present simple present, present continuous and present perfect in active form and also in passive form. There is no changes in present perfect continuous in passive voice, so we only study 3 tense in present tense. Now let's see past tense. Past tense, tense wise rule, and the tense is past tense. First of all, in past tense, that it is simple past in active voice and also in passive voice. The rules of simple past in active voice is subject, verb second and object. When we change this in passive voice, it becomes subject, was verb thought form and object. Let's clear with example. He played football. Here played is a second form of play, and when we change it is third form. As we know that second and third form is the same, so football was played by him is the passive of the sentence. Now the next example, she wrote a poem. Here wrote is a second form of write, and when we change this in passive it become the poem was written by her. Here she changed into her. Okay, now we see the past continuous tense in active voice and also in passive voice. Past continuous of active, the rule is subject, was, verb fourth form and object. When we change this into passive voice, it become subject, was, plus being is added here, then verb third form and object. In the same way, let's see the example. He was playing football. This sentence in past continuous tense. When we change this sentence in passive voice, it become football was being played by him. Here being is added after the helping verb was. Now let's see another example. She was writing a poem. She was writing, it is a continuous tense, so fourth form is used here, playing and writing. Ing is added to the main verb, so it changed into fourth form of the verb. She was writing a poem, and the passive of the same sentence is a poem was written by her. So in this way we have seen the past continuous of active sentence, that is active voice, and also the passive voice, and before that simple past of active sentence and also passive sentence. Now it is past perfect tense in active voice and also in passive voice. The rules of active sentence in past perfect is has, subject, has, verb third form and object. Here third form is given, so there is no need to change, it remain as it is. And the passive of the same rule is subject, has been is added here, third form by an object. Hello, subject, has, have, verb third form by and then object. Let's see the example. He had played the football. When we change this into passive voice, it will be football had been played by him. Let's see another example. As we had completed our work. Here I have taken the plural pronoun, so it changed. Our work had been played by us. Here we change into us. This is a personal pronoun changes. Now she has written a poem. Here our sentence is she has written a poem. When we change this into passive voice, it become a poem has been written by her. So in this way we have seen the three forms of past tense, that is past indefinite, or you can say simple past, in active and also in passive form. See, and then past continuous, that is in active voice with examples and also in passive voice with examples. So here past continuous is given. Then I have shown you past perfect of active sentence and also passive sentence. It means in past perfect active voice and passive voice with the examples. Now let's see the future tense. Future tense, we have to only study two tense in future tense, because future continuous and future perfect continuous is not changed into passive voice. So we have to study only two tense, that is future indefinite, or you can say simple future, and the future perfect. So first of all we see simple future, or you can say future indefinite. The active of future indefinite rule is subject, will or shall according to the subject, first form of the verb, and then object. This is the active rule of a simple present tense. Then we change this into present passive voice. It become subject, will, shall, be is added here, then third form of the verb and object. Sorry, by is here. Here the rules of passive voice: subject, will, shall, be, verb third form, by, and then object. Let's see the example. He will play the football, and the passive of this is football will be played by him. So it is football will be is added here, played by him. Now let's see another example, that is she will write a poem, and it is changed into a poem will be written by her. Here she changed into her. In this way we have changed the simple future tense in active voice and also in passive voice. So now let's see future perfect. In future perfect tense, active and passive. The active rule of future perfect tense is subject, will or shall, according to the subject we use will or shall, that is helping verb, and then we use have, third form of the verb, and then object. This is the active rule of future perfect tense. And when we change this into passive voice, it is subject, will or shall, according to the subject, have, and then we write been, plus third form of the verb by, and then object. So in this way active voice of future perfect change into passive voice. Now let's see example. He will have played football. This is an active sentence. Examples: if we change this into passive, football will have been played by him. Now let's see another example, that is we will have completed our work. When we change this into passive voice, it becomes our work will have been completed by us. So in this way we have seen the future perfect, the two forms of future tense, that is simple future in active voice and also in passive voice, and in the same way future perfect active voice with examples and passive voice with examples. This, I hope you have understood the video and the rules of changing tense wise, rules of changing active into passive with examples and form structures. Thank you.